As a parent, have you ever looked at the world and thought, how on earth is my child going to keep up with all of this change? AI is suddenly everywhere. New tools, new jobs, new fears. And in the middle of all of this, we're just trying to give our children the best shot at a happy and a successful future. I totally get it. This week, I watched a fascinating conversation between Nandan Nilekani and Satya Nadella, two leaders who have shaped the tech world, and I couldn't stop thinking about how their ideas connect to our kids, especially those between 10 to 13 years of age. So today, let's break it down, not in tech jargon, but in a way that helps us as parents make some smart moves. Satya Nadella said something that hit me hard. What was an 18-month doubling has become a 6 months doubling. It means that the speed at which technology is evolving is getting faster and faster and faster. This pace of technology evolution has created a sense of panic among us. A lot of parents are stuck between two thoughts. Should I protect my child from too much of tech? Or should I push them to learn everything about AI, coding, and robotics? The truth? You don't need to panic, but you do need to be intentional. Sit with your child and talk about change and ask them what's something new they've learned in the last 3 months? What do they think will be a different in the next 5 years? Help them get curious about the future, not afraid of it. While there are ample takeaways from the conversation, there is one thing Satya Nadella said that made me smile. He said, when Excel came out, no one stood around worshipping the spreadsheet. We just started building things with it. And that's exactly how we need to think about AI today. Parents often tell me, I don't know how to teach AI to my child. I don't even understand it myself. But here's the thing, you don't need to understand every line of code. What matters is that you teach your kids how to use various tools to do something, to build, to express, to solve, to explore. Just like Excel wasn't about the rows and columns, it was about the insights, the decisions, the impact. AI will be the same. It's not about how smart the tool is, it's about how smartly your child uses it. So, what can you do as a parent? Well, try this simple activity together. Sit with your child and open a tool like ChatGPT or Canva. Ask them, let's make a mini weather report or a class timetable using AI. It's not about the final product. It's about showing your child that AI is not magic. It's a tool, just like a calculator or an Excel sheet. During the chat, Nandan Nilekani said something powerful. India will be the use case capital of AI. But what does that mean? It means we're not just building AI, we're going to be the country that applies AI at scale in healthcare, in education, agriculture, transport, and so much more. And if that's true, here's a big relief for parents. Not every child needs to become a coder or robotics expert to thrive in future. Sure, some kids will love programming, but others will shine in designing interfaces that are friendly and inclusive. Some will write stories that trains AI to understand languages. Some will use emotional intelligence to solve real world problems that machines can't figure out. If AI is the engine, we'll still need the drivers, the navigators, the road planners, and the storytellers who tell us where to go and why. So the real question is, what is your child naturally good at? Sit down with your child and ask, when do you feel the most proud of yourself? What's something you have taught someone else recently? Then ask yourself as a parent, is my child more of a builder, a helper, a dreamer, or a communicator? Use that lens to expose them to both technical and non technical tools. For example, a builder might enjoy making a robot or a game. A communicator might enjoy using AI to write poems or do voiceovers. It's not about narrowing them into a career path at age 12, it's about giving them permissions to explore their gifts in a future ready way. Satya Nadella used a beautiful word to describe our relationship with AI, Jugalbandi. That's exactly what's already happening between humans and AI. Think about it. Your phone unlocking with Face ID, that's AI. Fraud detection during online payments, AI. Aadhaar verification liveness, AI. Your food delivery app predicting your next order, AI again. It's not sci fi, it's here and it's already helping us. So, the big shift of our children is this: learning to work with AI, not fear it. But how do we start? We start by letting them play with AI tools that feel magical and useful. Try this fun activity. Open an AI assistant like ChatGPT or Google Gemini and ask your child, we have these four ingredients in the kitchen. What can we cook? Let them see how AI helps. Then ask, what if we wanted something healthy, something for a party? Now they're learning how to guide AI. That's the real skill. Not just using the tool, but thinking critically about the input, the output, and the context. Here's the truth, dear parents. You don't need to know everything about AI. You just need to stay curious, stay open, and stay involved. The best thing you can do for your children is not give them all the answers, but help them ask better questions. So let's raise a generation that's not afraid of future, but ready to shape it with imagination, values, and resilience. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We have also created a Jobs for Future scorecard, which helps you as a parent understand if you are actually giving all the required things for your child. Do check out that score